Hi, I'm Adam Zarrett with We Light Up the Night, and I'm going to show you how to repair some HD cables. Here we have some HD cables that have been chewed through by an animal. You can see that the connections are broken with bare wire hanging out, and we obviously can't use these anymore. So I'm going to show you one way that we can fix this. We're going to start by cutting off all of the bare spots of exposed wire here. Next, we're going to strip back some of the insulation around the outside of the cable. You can use scissors for this, or a razor blade, or sometimes even your teeth. We're going to separate out the two wires inside, and we're going to again strip the plastic off of this connector. We'll do the same thing for the other side of the broken cable. Now we're going to twist the wires back together. We'll start by twisting the outside braid. Next we'll twist the center conductors. Once the wires are twisted back in place, we can complete the electrical connection with a dot of solder to hold things together. And one more dot on the top. We will complete our repair by wrapping the exposed connections with electrical tape. I'm Adam Zarrett with We Light Up the Night, and thanks for watching How to Repair HD Cables.